Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find this mysterious number, which is usually called build number. However, in this MUI software, it is simply a software version. So all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you will see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, I am already a developer. So after activating it, we have to go back to the general settings and then let's enter system and updates. And as you can see in this last section, we've got the developer options. So let's enter, and here we've got quite a lot settings, advanced settings, which we can customize. So for example, they are connected with the animation. You can change the transition, the animated duration, scale, etc. You can, for example, show visual feedback for touches. So you will see the circle after in the place where you previously touched. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking. We've got the Wi-Fi, we've got the Bluetooth options, etc. So quite a lot of advanced options to customize. And basically everything works just like in the regular settings. So simply tap on the switcher and the option will be applied. You can turn it off the same way. And here, for example, in the window animation scale, we do not have the switcher, so we have to tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off if you want to. Just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, we will automatically go back to the system and updates, and the developer options will simply disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the software version step, the tapping step, and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.